Hello everyone, my name is Brent Joshua Moran. I'm currently a third year student studying BA Multimedia Studies. I am recording this video past 11 p.m. Using my P40i in-ear earbuds for the audio and my phone iPhone 13 for the video recording. I usually do my recordings at this time since it is quieter with most people already asleep and resting. I am currently recording in a room with concrete walls and tile floors. The surfaces, however, appear to have affected the audio quality of my audio. I think it is because the sounds I produce are being reflected from the concrete surfaces, resulting to echoes. On the other hand, as I mentioned from my previous activities, I was debating whether to purchase a specific microphone for this course. However, it appears that my current setup is working well enough. I just have to consider how to adapt to my surroundings and to improve my audio quality.